In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall the KB5101684 update on Windows 11. Before you begin, keep in mind that uninstalling Windows updates is generally not recommended. Only do this if the update is causing problems on your PC. First, open Settings, then go to Windows Update and select Update History. Scroll down and click Uninstall Updates. Find KB5101684, click Uninstall, then confirm by clicking Uninstall again. Wait for the process to finish. It may take a few minutes. Once it's complete, click Restart Now. Restarting your computer is required. After your PC restarts, open Settings, Windows Update again. Turn off Get the latest updates as soon as they're available to help prevent the update from installing again. If needed, click Pause Updates and choose how long you want to pause Windows updates. Later, you can click Resume Updates whenever you're ready to install new updates. That's it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more Windows troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.
I want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a